guys just finished up with this Lamborghini that was bright orange. Now it's not. Insurance. That's what they do. Insure your Lamborghini. But my guys killed it on this thing. There's PPF on top of the wrap too. Sick. JDP just dropped off this GT3R behind me. We're gonna unwrap this thing and make it look a lot better. Was a race car, still gonna be a race car. A lot of carbon, a lot of cool stuff on this car. You're gonna have to stay tuned and see exactly what we have up in store for this thing. On the GT3R, fresh wrap on the GT3R.
Oh, hello there! See that cool shit we did back there? No big deal.
Dylan here did S-Tech on the front windshield, the back glass on that Porsche GT3R.
Yeah, I did.
What do you guys think of that car?
It's silly.
It's silly. I mean, that's what $1 million buys you brand new.
$1 million?
$1 million.
$1 million.
Is that GT3R really $1 million?
Brand new is $1 million.
I told you couldn't buy that body kit, bro. Trying to play me like I'm a fool.
Like, comment, subscribe. Merch vlog right there.
There. Is merch live?
There. Merch live? Is merch live? I don't know. Is it?
There.
Right there. Merch everywhere. If you want merch, click the merch button.
Merch button.
GT3R came out really good. Printed. Wrap.
Have you seen it, Vinny?
Have you seen it?
Heidi, what's going down with this Ferrari Lusso?
We are taking the stock exhaust out. It's completely stock, and we're going to put in this beautiful Ryft exhaust. To put just some new mufflers, new X pipe. See how it sounds? It's going to be much louder, like much louder.
It's already pretty loud too.
It's already pretty loud because it's a Ferrari. Already sounds beautiful.
One of 88?
One of 88 exhausts, yes. So, here we go.
Full send.
Full send.
Are you more impressed now, Joe?
Yeah. V12 things are my jam.
You weren't very impressed the first time. Are you now?
Still good, but it's, you know, if you own a V12, especially in an A1, and you don't have loud exhaust, you're doing the whole world a disservice.
You are.
Like
It's actually like, you might as well be racist at that point by not putting an exhaust on there.
Yeah.
That's a racist thing now. It's 2022, everything's racist.
Installer commentary. Approved?
Oh, great heavens.
Sound of this new Ryft exhaust.
Did you hear that?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that V12 just singing?
Sounds
It revs so fast.
Gotta
It's
hear that
ridiculous.
over here again, real quick. Go ahead and do that again.
Is that music to your ears, Josh?
Yeah, it's definitely music. Music
All-wheel
of
drive, all-wheel steering,
4 seats?
4 seats,
What more could you ask
front
for?
engine, V12.
It's the sound of Italy.
Sound of pissed off Italian horses. This is a great daily driver, there's no doubt.
No.
Outro.
Oh, how many outro, dude?
Come on! I'm just kidding. Please don't put that in there, dude.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this week's episode of wonderful car content. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun stuff and things. Take care of us. And we got a little bit of a glimpse here, a little glimpse. Oh, a little glimpse. Hope you guys enjoy the next.
Finish it out. See you in the next one, right, Dalton? Check out the next video. We got some cool shit. I don't know.
You cannot swear.
Yeah, I know. We can bleep it out though.